this cover, I've tried it on 2 CR-10s. And apart from tuning up the CR-10s and researching how to do that, this model will fit on an Ender-3. And I'm not here to fix printers, I'm here to build and syrup. Now if I gotta fix a printer because I don't have any others that'll work at a certain height, then okay. But the layer lines get messed up, and I think what it is I'm under extruding actually. That's all I think that is. Like it did just fine, and then up here it warped, but it did the same thing on another print on another CR-10. So I switched CR-10s. Kind of did the same thing. It printed better. The one CR-10, the bed's just way too. There's way too many variations on the bed for this big of a print. It ends up running into itself, scraping itself off the bed. But this Ender-3 looks like it'll fit it. I'm trying to avoid a lot of supports. I don't want to use that many supports. The supports that are on there are pretty stiff too. All right, well, I'm gonna flip these around. I'll do this guy in the blue. Infill density. You know what? Let's do 100%. Strong as can be. That way the supports come out easier. They break off. Though I wonder. How bad are supports going to be if I do it on its side, you know? And which side do I want to do it on? Oh, obvious. Alright, let's see how bad this will be with supports. My gosh, it's 2 days. It's 2 days. That is so long. Oh my gosh, it's so many supports. I mean, oh my gosh. Bro, oh my gosh, that is just a block. Oh man, that's so much material. That's what I'm trying to avoid by putting it on its back. I mean, what if I lower the density on that infill? It's at 33, which isn't that dense already. What if I just try... Let's try 13. 3.07 millimeters between the lines. That's a big gap. It's enough for it to droop in between. Maybe. I don't know. We'll see. I mean, I got a bunch of this filament, so I mean, I can experiment, but I mean, I'm not trying to experiment. 1 day, 5 hours, it's a little less. It was 19. Alright. The gaps are wider. It's not as much film. I mean, it's 304 grams. Whereas, all right, if I lay this down on its back, how much am I saving? If I can get it to print right on its back. All right, it's 304 grams, and it was a day and 5 hours with really low support density. $18 hours, very good, and 164 grams. Look, that's almost half. I've got to be able to print it like this. I'll save so much film. There's no reason. Ain't no reason. Yeah, I can deal with that. I can deal with that. That's how we're going to do it. I'm going to bump up the flow a little bit because I think that's why it's unadhering from itself. Where's that at? Right here. I have it at 91%, so it's probably under extruding a little bit. 90.